Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this cable lock that I just got. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who snowboard, who carry around personal items or bags. And normally, of course, you shouldn't leave your stuff lying around, but when we go snowboarding, we do have to leave our snowboards on the snowboard rack. And so I've recently left my snowboard rack there and someone accidentally took it thinking that it was a rental. So that's the reason why I got this cable lock. Now, essentially, how it works is that you use this side, the right side, to actually untether this. So this one extends out, and then this piece connects into this hole. And then you use this button here to actually go ahead and unlock the lock. So it is a retractable cable lock, and with it, it is a 3-digit password as far as how to actually go ahead and unlock the cable. But overall, I'd say that this is going to be great if you go snowboarding or if you want to just make sure that your snowboards are secure. Definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.